Good morning children. Now I am taking Achiever in that lesson number 5 cheerfulness. See children, I have done already half of the lesson children. Now I am continuing the same lesson. Okay. Now open page number 20. Children already explained what the meaning of cheerfulness. Cheerfulness means being happy and pleasant. Being happy and pleasant. See children, here the Chinese proverb word said, if you do not know how to smile, you should not open a shop. Means if you keep always smile on your face means you can open the shop. Otherwise, don't open the shop. Means children always show the happiness on our face. Is it no children? See, if you are always sad, angry means no one will come to your shop to purchase something. Isn't it no children? So that's why if you have the smiling face means you open the shop. Otherwise, don't open the shop. Means always shows the happiness or pleasant on our face. Cheerfulness is very important in our life. Okay, now I am continuing children. See the lesson, page number 20, second para. Okay. You should cultivate a cheerful nature wherever you are. Put a pleasant face with so much fun, humor and joking. Such things enhance your personality. A fun or joke removes worry or tension from your minds. See children, put up a pleasant face with so much fun. Always show the fun, happy and always show as joking. Such things, see these are things makes to improve. Enhance means improve. Enhance means improve. What? Fun, joke, humor, these all improves our personality. Fun or joke removes worry or tension from your minds. See, these are showing the happy face, smiling face and making fun, joke like this means it improves our personalities and also it removes the worriness or tension from our mind. Cheerfulness brings good health. Laughter is a tonic for all kinds of illness. See, cheerfulness brings good health. See, cheerfulness gives the good health to our body, mentally and physically. Laughter is a tonic for all kinds of illness. If you have any illness means, if you have laughter means, laughter is the tonic to remove our all illness, all kind of illness. The more you laugh, the less headache you get. See children, more you laugh, then you get very less headache. Medical science reveals that for headache, laughter is the best medicine. See, the medical science reveals, it's openly said, what said? Headache, laughter is the best medicine. For headache, laughing or laughter is the best medicine. Laughter brightens up your appearances. See, laughter, always you have the smiling face, you are always in the joke mind means what happened? It brightens our looks. It adds beauty to your personality and it also add the beauty to our personality. Laughter is called inner jogging. See children, to keep our body physically strengthened means we do the exercise, no? So like that, laughter is the inner what? Inner exercise, inner jogging. It is an exercise for your mind and body. See how we do the physical exercise now to keep our body strong and healthy. Like that, laughter is called the inner jogging. Inner jogging, inner exercise. You should try to mix with people who are relaxed and happy. See, one more thing, children. We always try to spend our time with relaxed and happy people. Spend more time with people who are pleasant, and spend a lot of time with pleasant people, and we always stay with the happy people, with pleasant people. We always try to spend our precious time with pleasant people, because this is the positiveness. Okay. You should avoid negative humor. You should always remove the negative humor. Means always unhappy, sad, don't do any joke, or don't feel any fun or any jokes. Means it's not good. It is a negative humor. And make others also happy. Otherwise, it was not good. It should be a negative humor. That's why always we also make the joke, we also want to feel the fun, happy, and also make others also happy. That means making fun of others or teasing others. Means we should avoid the negative humor. That means making fun of others and teasing others, and you taking the fun or laugh by teasing others is that's not good. That is we call as negative humor. There is no joy at the expense of someone. If we are teasing to others means it is not joy. We gave worry to others, and also again reback we also give the worry. Then it is not a positive humor. So that's why don't tease others and don't make a fun about others. If you do this means this one we call as negative humor. Avoid the negative humor and always you feel happy and make others also happy. That is we call as positive humor. A healthy fun is the one that is enjoyed by all. Which one we call as the healthy fun? A healthy fun is the one that is enjoyed to all. Enjoyed by all and enjoyed to all. That one we call as a healthy fun. Using indecent word means always use the good words talking about others. You cannot have fun. Don't make fun about others. Do not make hurtling remarks and laugh. Don't hurt others. Don't don't hurting the remarks, and also don't laugh about them, because this one we not call as joyness. When the listener is hurt or offended means there cannot be any fun. See, in case the listener, see what you speak the words, by hearing that listener may be hurt or offended. Offended means upset. If feeling very sad or bad, hurt or upset means there cannot be any fun. There cannot be any fun. We also can't stay with fun and happy, and they also can't stay with happy. Humor is a powerful medicine that you should have in your daily life. See children, making fun, making happy yourself and make to happy to others is the medicine that you should have in your daily life. So laughter or humor is a contagious health therapy that heals most of the illness. See here, laughter or humor is a contagious health therapy that heals most of the illness connected with tension, worry, and loneliness. See, laughter is the main medicine. This is the main medicine which is laughter, and it helps to heal the most of the illness. This laughter helps to what that removes our worry, loneliness and tension, and laughter is the main medicine to heal the what that illness. Means laughter is the medicine. Cheerfulness is a duty that we owe others, says J. Morris. The great author who J. Morris says cheerfulness is a duty. This is our duty that we owe others. Means we can pay others. So always we pay the cheerful to others. So this great author said cheerfulness is a duty that we owe others. And one more poet and also author who Ella Wheeler. Ella Wheeler said, rejoice and men will seek you. If you make happy to others, the people search for you. Grieve means you are suffering, you are feeling sad, you are always unhappy means, and they turn and go. No one people join with you. They will turn and go. What said? Ella Wheeler, rejoice and men will seek you. Rejoice them. Rejoice to others. You also rejoice and also make others also rejoice means men will seek you. Other people always such people, and they turn and if you are grieved means if you are suffer or the distress or sad means they turn and go. They don't join with you. They turn and go. This word says by Ella Wheeler means we always adopt the cheerfulness in our life to success anything. So we always feel the happy, joy, fun, and also make others also joy, happy, and fun. But don't tease anyone. Okay. See children, here is the prayer. Dear Lord God, give me a pleasant nature to be with my friends. See, give me a pleasant nature means happiest nature. Make me an instrument for your peace and joy. Make me only as instrument of your peace and joy. And spread cheerfulness wherever I go. And give a mind to make the cheerfulness wherever I go. Okay children, I hope children you understood about this lesson. Okay, thank you.